For centuries, consciousness has eluded explanation, leaving humanity with more questions than answers. What is it that makes us aware? Is it simply the firing of neurons in the brain, or is there something deeper, something fundamental woven into the very fabric of reality? Recent discoveries point to a bold and fascinating possibility. Consciousness may arise not from classical biology, but from the strange and mysterious world of quantum mechanics. This idea, once relegated to the fringes of science, has begun to garner experimental support, forcing researchers to re-examine long-held assumptions about the nature of the human mind. At the heart of this groundbreaking exploration lies a theory as audacious as it is thought-provoking: quantum consciousness. In the 1990s, physicist Roger Penrose proposed that consciousness might originate from quantum processes inside the brain. The brain, he argued, was not merely a network of neurons exchanging electrical signals, but a quantum system capable of sustaining delicate quantum states. These states, according to his theory, collapse due to gravitational forces, creating the phenomenon we experience as awareness. Critics quickly dismissed the idea. Quantum mechanics is notoriously unstable in warm, wet environments like the brain. Such conditions, they argued, would destroy quantum coherence long before it could play any meaningful role in consciousness. But Penrose's idea refused to fade away. It found an unlikely ally in anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff, who saw a potential solution to one of the theory's biggest challenges. Hameroff introduced a new and intriguing player into the equation: microtubules. These tiny tubular structures exist inside neurons, performing critical roles in cell division and maintaining cellular shape. But Hameroff believed they could do much more. According to Hameroff, microtubules might act as quantum processors, capable of sustaining quantum coherence. He pointed to the crystalline arrangement of proteins within microtubules, which could theoretically support quantum states. Hameroff also connected this concept to his medical expertise, suggesting that anesthetics disrupt consciousness by interfering with these quantum effects in microtubules. For decades, this notion remained speculative. Mainstream neuroscience continued to view consciousness as an emergent property of neural connections. Penrose and Hameroff's theory, while intriguing, lacked experimental evidence to back its claims. That is, until recently. In 2023, a study explored the effects of anesthetics on microtubules, tracking changes in fluorescence as a measurable indicator of quantum activity. The results were startling. Anesthetics appeared to influence microtubule activity, hinting at a possible connection between quantum processes and consciousness. Shortly afterward, researchers investigating the behavior of tryptophan, a key component of microtubules, uncovered something extraordinary: superradiance, a quantum phenomenon in which particles exhibit collective coherence. This discovery demonstrated for the first time that biological structures could indeed support quantum effects. The implications are staggering. If microtubules can sustain quantum coherence, it lends credence to the idea that consciousness might emerge from quantum processes. Suddenly, Penrose and Hameroff's once dismissed theory doesn't seem so far-fetched. While this research is far from definitive proof, it marks a pivotal moment in the study of consciousness. Quantum mechanics, with its bizarre and counterintuitive principles, might hold the key to understanding what makes us aware. If verified, this theory would revolutionize not only neuroscience, but also fields like artificial intelligence. Could machines one day achieve consciousness by mimicking quantum processes in the brain? Could we, by unraveling the quantum mechanics of the mind, unlock entirely new ways of thinking and perceiving the world? For now, these questions remain tantalizingly out of reach. But one thing is clear: the study of quantum consciousness has taken its first steps out of the shadows, offering a glimpse into a profound and mysterious truth. Consciousness, it seems, might not just be an emergent property of the brain, it might be a fundamental property of the universe itself. And in the strange dance of quantum particles within our cells, we may finally begin to uncover the essence of what it means to be alive, aware, and human.